The year was 1986. Engineers at NASA were warning leadership not to launch the Challenger space shuttle. They knew that the O-rings might fail in the cold weather, and the launch happened anyway. 73 seconds later, Challenger exploded. And I want you to understand something very important about leadership. The explosion was not the first failure. The first failure was refusing to act when people were already in danger. Because a crisis is not a PR problem. A crisis is when people are in danger. Whether it's physical danger, emotional danger, psychological danger, that is when leadership is truly tested. And this is the first part of the leadership integrity test. And it's act, not study, not form a committee, not we're monitoring the situation, act. If there is lead under your playground, you close the playground. If a bridge might collapse, you close the bridge. If an employee reports harassment or abuse, you remove the person from power while you investigate. Action means reducing harm immediately. Now, let's compare Challenger to Apollo 13. Apollo 13 still had a disaster, and things went horribly wrong. But the moment NASA realized that those astronauts were in danger, the entire organization shifted into protection mode. Not spin, not denial, not let's wait and see. Just how do we keep these people alive? That is leadership. And this matters because I've watched organizations move way faster to protect their reputations than to protect the people inside the organization. Once you see that, you really can't unsee it. Look, failing this test does not make someone a permanently bad leader. It's not a purity test. It's a correction tool. The goal is to shorten the distance between recognizing harm and responding with integrity. Because leadership is not really tested when things are easy. Leadership is truly tested when people are at risk. So let me ask you, can you think of an example where leadership acted immediately to protect people? Or maybe failed to? Follow for part 2, where we talk about announce.